On this next video, we are going to create RSS to Google Docs. Let's start. Click Create Zap. On the trigger stage, search for RSS by Zapier. Choose New Item in Feed. Click Continue. The feed URL. Just put your feed URL in here. Click Continue. Test trigger. Continue. The action stage, we can search for Google Docs. Click the search box. We can choose Create Document from Text. Click Continue. Sign in your Google Docs account. Allow. Now you have your Google Docs connected. Click Continue. Document name, it's the title. Document content, raw encoded. Folder, you can actually select the folder you want. This video will use updates. Click Continue. Test action. Click Publish. Publish and turn on. Right, we successfully created an RSS to Google Docs Zap. Rename it to RSS to Google Docs. Click here to update. Click back to check if it's actually turned on. Yep. Now let's check the folder. Here it is. Right. We got it nice and smooth. I have to delete it, or for you to keep. Now we're done.